There is a saying, the worst investing mistakes are committed during bullish times. Similarly, you can make the best investments idea on bearish times. So one need to effectively utilize the bearish phase. The profits are being generated on bullish period due to momentum of stocks. But on a bearish phase, wealth is being generated. You decide whether you want to create profit or need to generate wealth. That depends on you. Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. Last week we tried to find out Nifty bottom levels using PE analysis and also using Nifty long-term monthly chart. This is the second part of the same video where we will try to find out Nifty bottoming levels using weekly, daily chart. Also we will try to find out the bottom using Fibonacci retracement. Then we will try to answer some important questions like, in this correction phase, shall I sell out my whole portfolio? If accumulate, when to start accumulating? What are the best stocks to buy now? How to time the market? What to do with the current ongoing SIP? What is the best SIP to start with? We will try to find out answers for this. So let's begin with Nifty bottom level based on weekly view. Now let's see Nifty medium term view on a weekly chart. The Nifty chart shows weekly candle. Each candle will represent a week. Here we plotted 3 moving average. The red one is the 20-week moving average, the blue one is 50-week moving average, and the green one is 100-week moving average. It already broke the 20-week moving average as well as 50-week moving average. Currently it is on the support of 100-week moving average. It can take a U-turn from here or it can break this level. If it breaks the 100-week moving average, the next level is on the support of 14,262. That is over this zone. If it is coming down, it can reverse from this line. In my view, it should retrace from 14,260 level. Now let's see Nifty's view on a daily candle. Each candle represents a day's candle. So here we plotted 3 moving average. The red one is the 20-day moving average, the blue one is the 50-day moving average, and the green one shows 100-day moving average. And Nifty has crossed all these 3 moving average. So on a short term basis, Nifty is on completely bearish phase. So on daily chart, the immediate major support is at around 14,237 level. That is on support over these levels. So Nifty can fall up to 14,200 levels and it can take a U-turn from there. So we are expecting a Nifty reversal around 14,200 levels on a daily basis chart. Now let's see where Nifty can retest based on some technical indicators. One of the best tools to find the retracement of Nifty is Fibonacci retracement. So we will see on Fibonacci retracement what are the levels Nifty is showing to take a reversal. So when we plot a chart from the bottom of COVID crash, it is showing the first level around 23%. That is, the first retracement should happen near to 16K levels. As Nifty breaks this 16K level, the next retracement we can look forward is around 38.2%, which comes around 14,339 levels. So optimistically, Nifty can take a retracement at these levels. So I am expecting Nifty to bottom out near to 14,300 levels. As a summary, based on PE, Nifty bottom level can be around 14,261. Based on monthly chart, it will be in the levels of 14,000. Based on weekly chart, it can go up to a level of 14,262. Based on daily chart, the support will be around 14,237. And on Fibonacci retracement, it will be around 38% retracement level, that is around 14,339. So overall, I don't expect Nifty to go down below 14,000. You can't say anything 100% about market, but based on my percent analysis, Nifty will bottom out above 14,000. I don't expect Nifty to go below 14,000 in near future. Now one of the important questions everybody asks is how to time the market correctly. What is the best way to time the market? The fact is that there is no shortcut or method to time the market. The biggest investors like Vijay Kedia in their interview, they told they fail to time the market. So for beginners and all, it's impossible to time the market. So the best way to time the market is to invest early and often. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Invest early and often. Time in the market means always be in touch with the market, and whenever you get opportunity to buy in, you should buy. If you analyze the current scenario, market is in a correction mode. So it is one of the best time to add on your blue chip stocks. So keep adding so that you need not to time the market. So don't miss this opportunity to add on blue chip stocks to your portfolio. During prolonged correction phases, new investors tend to sell their portfolio. So the next question raises is, shall we sell out all our portfolio? The answer is strict no. Now the time is to accumulate. Now only the sale starts. So you should find good quality stocks to add on your kitty. This is actually the time to sell out your bad stocks and add good stocks. So take a look at your portfolio and find out which all are non-performing assets or which all are non-performing stocks and find out their fundamental. If it is really bad fundamental, move out of that and move into a good fundamentally blue chip company. This is the best time to accumulate and to revamp your portfolio. So clear your bad fundamental stocks and start accumulating good fundamental stocks. So if you are convinced now you should accumulate good quality stocks, then when to accumulate? That is the next question. So after a peak, when the correction starts, it will start correcting for a long period of time. So once it reaches a bottom level, then it will start a consolidation phase. So lower price followed by a long period of consolidation will give a signal to start adding stocks on dips, will give a clear signal of accumulation. So once it's reached into a channel where it takes time to consolidate, this is the time to accumulate. So one can wait for a consolidation at lower levels for the Nifty to consolidate. Once this consolidation happens over a small period of time, you can start accumulating good quality stocks from the blue chip space. Now the next big question is what to add and what are the best stocks to buy. We should only focus on market leaders, heavyweights and blue chip companies in the correction phase of the stock market. You should be stock specific, only add fundamentally good stocks who are market leaders, heavyweights and blue chip companies. I will make a separate video of which all blue chip now we should focus to add a good portfolio for long term. One of the common questions people ask is what to do with the ongoing SAPs. People will start SAPs at good time when the market is on bull run. When the market starts correcting, people will think about SAP, whether to stop it or to hold on. So don't stop SAPs on market crash. SAPs make market correction works for you. We will see how. For the same specific amount of SAP, you will get more units out of that. When the market corrects, the price of the stock or the index will come down. Once it comes down, for the specific amount, you will get more units out of that. So it will help you in accumulating more stocks during bearish phase than in a bullish phase. So once the bull run restarts, you will get good returns out of that. So don't stop SAPs during market crash. In turn, you should increase the amount of SAP during the market correction. That will definitely work for you in long term. So if you don't have SAP, this is the best time to start an SAP. Best method to start SAP is small case or index fund. Index fund is nothing but a fund or a mutual fund which is tracking our index. For example, if we are talking about an index fund of Nifty 50, the companies will track Nifty 50 with the same weightage and same number of stocks. So the returns from the fund will be same as that of the return of the index. The only advantage of index fund compared to the regular mutual fund is lower fees. And the main thing to track is the tracking error, how much it is close to the index return. The other best method to start SAP is small case. Small case is a basket of stocks of our preference. So we can choose good stocks from the universe like fundamentally good heavyweight blue chip companies like TCS, HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, and we can create a basket out of that. With that basket, we can do monthly SIP for a longer period. In the current scenario, it is best to create a good basket of heavyweight blue chip companies which are the market leaders so that we can get good return out of that. I already posted a video related to small case. What is small case and how to create a small case? You can check the video in the I button shown above. I'll make a separate video on stock specific, which all stock we should add in a small case in the present scenario so that you can create a good fortune out of that. Please post your comments which stocks you are going to add in your small case in that present scenario. If you like the channel, please like it and subscribe for informative videos in future. Thanks for watching and have a good day.